Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Out here early in the morning because it's not really all that windy out here, and I wanted to get another flight of this in. This is the Brushless BM31, a brushless version of my favorite aircraft. And so, brand new plane. I only had this for less than a week in my possession, and I really want to get this guy up in the air and see if it flies as well as my favorite little micro F22 that I fly by the same company. And we're going to see. Let's get her in the air, y'all. Let's see, she's bound. I got her bound to my boxer. Let's see if this one is as maneuverable as the other one is on the ground. Yeah, the differential thrust works well. Let's see if we can take off with it. Wow. She pulled in. She pulled off and took to the air immediately. Like a VTOL or something. Well, one thing I can say is it's not giving me a lot of down elevator. Okay, now it is. I guess they have adopted that same principle as one of the other planes, the XK. The other companies, XK, they do that with their planes. They don't allow you to give down elevator. I guess that's for beginners or whatever. So early in the flight it doesn't allow you, but then later you can. So I'm giving this very little throttle to keep it in the air, y'all. The turning is real tight. Wow. Let's see if we could do any tricks. Let me see, I got the stunt button set up on this guy. Let's see. It didn't allow me to do a loop. I can do a roll though. Let me try a loop again. Yes, it does a loop. Yeah, the brushless motors give it a lot more power. Man, it turns like really fast though. It rolls really fast too. See if we can get it. Oh my goodness. It did a roll and I was able to do a loop right behind the roll. And that was a stunt button roll. That was unusual. Yeah, you got to be real careful with your turns. Not that it's going to stall or anything, but it just turns really tight. Like, it'll turn around immediately in the air. Oh, it looks like we're flashing. The rear lights are flashing. Let me bring it in closer and see. Oh, they're not anymore. Let's see how it lands, y'all.
4 minutes.
Been flying for 4 minutes with this guy. Let's try to coast it in. Same airframe, so it glides just as well. And you can do a high alpha and get this thing to touch down really, really soft. Let's Let's look at how quick it takes to the air, y'all. It takes to the air like a VTOL, y'all. Dang near. I'm curious if I can. Man, unlimited vertical, y'all. It climbs in height really easy, and it doesn't look like it was going to stop. Let me see. That was a manual mode roll there. Let me see how it flies in manual mode. So we're in manual mode now. It flies nice. Whoa, the loops are fast in manual mode. One of the few planes I can fly really well in manual mode. I don't know why. That these planes here are just easier for me to fly in manual mode. It wants to give me up elevator though. Yeah, I'm back in stabilized mode now. It was getting a little crazy for me. The controls are a little sensitive.
6 minutes.
A lot of deflection. Now I'm having a hard time flying down. Let me just, it's not giving me a lot of down elevator. I'm just gonna let it coast in though for the landing. This thing is awesome, y'all. I love it. I didn't see any flashing. Let's see if we could take off again. This is the best F22 you can buy, y'all. Check it out. High alpha. We've been in the air for 7 minutes. We got a little breeze, a slight breeze coming from this direction, so I'm able to get it to high alpha and almost stay in place. But it just does that anyway though. This is with the wind here. Really nice high alpha from this plane. I'm in the stabilized mode doing this though. So I'm pretty sure you can get a better one going. If you're flying in manual mode, you can probably get this thing to hover in one place. Check it out, y'all. And it has power to go up if you want to go up or need to.
8 minutes.
We've been flying it for 8 minutes. It's saying, and my down elevator is back. Manual mode. Man, it does a loop fast. Let me see if I can do a slow loop. Yes, I can do a wide one. I had to cut it short with that pole being there. Man, this plane is awesome. Hope y'all can still see it. Hope I got the correct angle for y'all to see it. You can do all types of tricks with this thing. Okay, let me try to bring it down. I don't know where the battery is. We don't want to get caught dead stick all the way up there.
9 minutes.
Been flying for 9 minutes. Let's try to bring it in. Yeah, the lights are definitely flashing. Let's hover it a little bit. Bring it down for a soft landing. This plane is awesome, y'all. and it has good yaw authority, so you can use the differential thrust to turn it and taxi it on the ground. Oh, and I still managed to crash it. Awesome plane, y'all. I love this plane. It flies great. I wish it came in the red, white, and blue color because I really like that color a little better. But this one is really nice, easy to see in the air. We got the lights on it. You can fly it at night. Oh, I forgot to stop my timer. My timer's still going. I can't remember what button stop. Oh, there it is. Yeah, we were going for about 9.5 minutes with this guy non-stop. Oh, well, we did do a couple landings actually. Check out the red lights in there and the exhaust and everything. Same exact airframe is the previous one, and it flies better. This one has a little more power and everything. It's still a 1S flyer, and you guys saw how long I was flying it on a 1S pack. It's a 1000 milliamp hour pack in there. Really awesome flyer, guys. I love this. From AliExpress. AliExpress is the only seller I have seen with this. I have a link in the description so you guys can check it out if you want to buy this, and also I'll have the codes in the description as always. Hashtag AliExpress good finds, y'all. This thing is awesome. I love it. Thanks for watching.